Have you ever pondered the sheer complexity of the human body? How trillions of cells work in perfect harmony to create the symphony of life? But what happens when one or two cells refuse to play by the rules? When they rebel against the natural order and begin to grow uncontrollably? This is the story of cancer, an unwelcome guest that turns our body's symphony into a cacophony of chaos. Cancer is a complex, multifaceted disease, the product of a multitude of factors. It's a jigsaw puzzle with many pieces, and to understand it, we must delve into each of these pieces in turn. Firstly, it's important to understand that our cells are not static. They are dynamic, constantly dividing and growing. But sometimes errors occur in this process, leading to mutations. These mutations, if not corrected by our body's intricate repair mechanisms, can trigger the beginning of cancer. It's like a tiny glitch in the symphony, a single wrong note that can disrupt the entire performance. Secondly, our lifestyle choices play a significant role. Poor diet, lack of exercise, smoking, and excessive alcohol consumption have all been linked to an increased risk of developing cancer. It's as if we're providing the rogue cells with the perfect environment to thrive, like playing a symphony in a concert hall with terrible acoustics. The third factor is our environment. Exposure to certain harmful substances or radiation can increase the risk of cancer. This is akin to forcing our symphony to perform in a storm, with the harsh elements wreaking havoc on the delicate notes. Lastly, our genetics also play a pivotal part. Some of us are born with mutations that increase our risk of cancer. It's as if some of us are handed a more difficult piece of music to play, a symphony with complex notes and rhythms that are harder to keep in perfect harmony. So, we see that the dance of cancer is a multifaceted one, influenced by our cells, our choices, our environment, and our genes. But this knowledge is not cause for despair. Rather, it's a call to action. By understanding the factors contributing to cancer, we can take proactive steps to mitigate the risks. We can adopt healthier lifestyles, avoid known carcinogens, and get regular screenings, particularly if we have a family history of cancer. It's like tuning our instruments, practicing the difficult parts of the symphony, and ensuring the concert hall is in perfect condition before the performance. In the end, the symphony of our bodies is a complex one, but it's not beyond our understanding. By delving into the factors that contribute to cancer, we gain the power to influence the performance, to ensure that our body's symphony plays out in harmony, rather than descending into chaos. It's a dance of complexity, but it's one we can learn to navigate with grace and wisdom.
Narrator. Picture this. A symphony of cells, each playing their part perfectly. But suddenly, a note goes awry, a discordant melody begins to play. This is inflammation, a natural response to injury, infection, or stress. Yet, when this response becomes chronic, it can alter the harmony, causing cells to divide and multiply unchecked. This is where our story of cancer begins. Narrator. Within each cell lies the conductor of this cellular symphony, DNA. DNA dictates the rhythm, the pace, and the notes each cell should play. But what happens when the conductor loses control? Narrator. At times, DNA may undergo changes or mutations, resulting in a faulty script for the cells. This leads to a disorganized symphony where cells divide and grow without order or control, forming masses known as tumors. Not all tumors are cancerous, but when they are, they can invade other parts of the body, disrupting the harmony of our cellular city. Narrator. Fortunately, medical science has developed means to restore order. Treatments like chemotherapy, radiation, and immunotherapy aim to eliminate the discordant cells and bring the body back to harmony. Narrator. So, to summarize, inflammation, while a natural response, can contribute to the development of cancer when it becomes chronic. This can lead to DNA mutations and uncontrolled cell growth, disrupting the harmony of our body. But with the right treatment, we can restore order and bring our cellular city back into balance. Narrator. The story of cancer is complex and there is still much to learn. But by understanding the role of inflammation and cell division in its development, we are better equipped to combat this disease. After all, knowledge is power. The more we understand, the better we can protect our cellular city and ensure it thrives in harmony. Narrator. So the next time you think about your body, remember the bustling city within. Remember the symphony of cells, the heat of inflammation, and the quest for balance. It's a fascinating journey, one that continues to unfold and surprise us. But one thing is certain, every note, every cell matters.
Have you ever pondered the sheer power of exercise in the battle against cancer? Imagine a symphony, a ballet of sorts, where each step, each movement contributes to a harmonious dance that not only helps maintain a healthy weight, but also reduces inflammation, strengthens the immune system, and promotes overall well-being. Welcome to the enchanting world of exercise, a formidable ally in our quest for a cancer-resistant body. This ballet of exercise is not merely a dance of physical exertion, but a dance of cellular rejuvenation. As we engage in regular physical activity, our bodies respond by enhancing cellular processes that repair DNA damage, a common precursor to cancer. The more we move, the more our cells are able to repair and protect themselves. But there's more to this ballet than meets the eye. Exercise also helps regulate our hormones. Some forms of cancer, like breast and endometrial cancer, are influenced by high levels of certain hormones, and keeping these in check is another way regular exercise aids in cancer prevention. Exercise also plays a role in strengthening our immune system. Like a well-choreographed ballet, our immune system dances to the rhythm of our bodies, responding to threats and eliminating cells that can cause harm. Through exercise, we enhance our immune system's ability to detect and destroy potentially cancerous cells. Indeed, the ballet of exercise is a beautiful, complex, and powerful dance. It's a dance we all have the power to partake in, regardless of our age or fitness level. Whether it's a brisk walk in the park, a yoga session, or a bike ride, every movement counts. But while the ballet of exercise is a vital part of cancer prevention, it's not the entire performance. A balanced diet, avoiding harmful substances, regular checkups, and early detection are all integral parts of the grand show. They are the choreographers, the set designers, the stage managers of our health production. The power to prevent cancer lies within each of us. We are the architects of our own well-being, crafting a shield against the chaotic movements that may lead to cancer. And so, we encourage you to embrace the ballet of exercise, to take control of your health, to dance your way towards a healthier, cancer-resistant life. Step into the dance floor of life. Join this ballet of exercise. Let each step, each movement, contribute to your health, your happiness, your future. Because the power to prevent cancer begins with you. Dance on, and let your ballet of exercise begin.
In the grand orchestra of life, each one of us plays a unique symphony. It's a complex tune, woven with threads of triumph, resilience, and the relentless pursuit of understanding. As we dive deeper into the mysteries of our existence, we find ourselves empowered, ready to take on any challenge that life throws our way. It's in this dance with life, this intricate ballet of existence, that we continue to grow and evolve. Each new day is a chance to shape our narrative, to write a new verse in our ongoing epic. So as our story draws to a close, remember this: the power to shape your health, your well-being, your life rests in your hands. The baton is yours. Conduct your symphony with grace, passion, and a dash of audacity. And remember, every end is just a new beginning in disguise. So until we meet again, keep dancing, keep striving, keep playing your unique symphony. Soft instrumental music fades in.